increase £50 by 30%. So I start off as 100% is my original amount, so that's £50. So this whole bar represents that £50. Each of these little bars here, because there's 10 of them, 10 times 10 is 100, so each one is 10%. So I've got 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's 10 little boxes. So let's find 10% by splitting this £50 into those 10 boxes. So 50 divided by 10, which is 5. So 100% was £50. 10% I divided by 10, and I got £5. Now I want to know what 30% is, so let's highlight 30%. So here's 10%, 20%, 30%. So 30% is the 3 lots of 10, because it's 3 boxes. 30% was 5, 10, 15. Now the question here says increase £50 by 30%. Now increase means that you make something go up. So it's going to add on to the original 50. So I'm going to have that £50 and I need to add on the 30%, which is £15. I'm not adding on 30, I'm adding on 30%, which is £15. So £50 plus £15 is £65.